How to fix Telegram video not playing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram video not playing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find storage, and now click clean up, and here just wait for this one, junk files or cache, and then just clean your phone cache or your phone junk files, and that's it. Just wait for it and then click clean up, and after that go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Telegram. Click on it. First click force stop and go to storage, click clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and then just update your Telegram. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.